Get it done.
Hey guys, this is Carissa at South Seneca Car Care, and I am here with one of our most loyal, wonderful customers, Ed, and then of course the owner, Colleen. We get a lot of questions about this car cabinet and Colleen's collection of cars. And Ed is going to tell a little bit of the story behind these cars, where they came from, and I'm going to switch the camera to him. Okay, so this is Ed. And Colleen.
Hello.
Yeah, it is kind of hard to see. There we go. Okay. Ed, tell us how this car cabinet came to be, how you started collecting them.
Well, in about 2006, I started collecting the cars, and I was in the process of going to be moving, and I didn't know if I could really take it along with me, so Colleen is into cars a lot, and I figured leaving it with her would be the best thing to do because I know she would take care of it.
Oh, all right, Colleen, tell us about these cars and which ones are your favorite and just a little bit about them.
Well, first of all, Ed donated this to my business is an awesome donation. I can't count the number of people that come in and go to that cabinet and look at the cars, and they just thoroughly enjoyed it. I mean, they all knew over them. And of course, I like the classics. So the Thunderbirds.
Come over here. Show me which ones are your
The
favorites.
Thunderbirds and the Mustangs, because they're on the top shelf. That's my favorite, and it goes down to second most favorite, third most favorite, except for the two Bugs. As you all will know, I'm a Volkswagen Beetle fan, so that's what I drive. So I had to put my Bugs in along with Ed's collection.
Okay.
And then we go down to the big trucks, and then over here these two Chevrolets, the 57 and 55. Those are favorites too. You don't just find a collection like this just anywhere. Ed put a lot of time and effort in gathering this collection together to build this cabinet.
Oh, that's so cool. Well, Ed, thank you very much for coming in today and telling us about this cabinet and these cars and, you know, how they came to be and how they came to be at this shop, and we appreciate it. You can say bye.
You're very welcome. Bye.
Have a good day, guys.